What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be installing this HKS blow-off valve onto the Mazdaspeed 3. I had this blow-off on the side, but I needed the adapter to fit the Mazdaspeed flange, so I ordered one on eBay, 20 bucks, so it's pretty much a $20 blow-off valve. Right now I have the Turbo Smart recirculated street unit blow-off, so you can barely hear anything because it just recirculates back into the intake and it doesn't go to vent to atmosphere like this one does. So this is going to be a pretty easy install. All I have to do is take off the 210s right here, and then this cover will come off. You're going to take the 210s off the actual blow-off valve itself, and then cap the recirculation tube, and that is pretty much it. So let's go ahead and do it so we can hear some HKS blow-off noises. Okay, got the blow off installed. Easy, like I said. Make sure you connect your vacuum lines and make sure your gasket is good. I have a brand new one, so I didn't have to change it out. I ordered a 3P performance cap, but it didn't come in yet, so for now a bottle cap, legit a bottle cap will do. I did this on my second gen a few years ago. Stay tuned for that because I have a full sheepy built kit, one-off kit for this car that I've been saving for my second gen ever since I got rid of it. But like I said, stay tuned, subscribe, you guys are gonna see that. But let's go ahead and start up and give it a couple revs.